Okay. Again, so many questions regarding material. Don't worry. First, I'm going to show you. Okay. So today we are going to make 3D ocean. Now it's a question, of 3D ocean. What is 3D ocean? So I'm going to first show you. It's just on paper, See, is that as 3D ocean? Can anybody tell me? No, it's not. It's just on paper, So okay. So here we go. Here we go. So now I'm going to open my surprise. Please, everyone look here. See. Oh, but still it is not 3D. I'm so sorry. No, it's just a paper with some aquatic animals and some colors and bubbles and what. Now see. So just give me a second. I will show you why I'm calling it 3D, and you can use it as a stand. See. Nice. Hi. So, and it's like a thing that you can keep it on your table, or you can decorate wherever you want. So yeah, now it's called 3D. See, it's pop up. So do you like it? Do you really like it? Please show me thumbs up. You can write it down on a chat box. Use your fingers and show me some excitement. Okay, it's very important, Okay, great. Thank you so much for these. Yes, I love it. Oh, thank you so much, Ushma. Wonderful. Okay, you loved it. Even I also loved it. And let's start. And it's very simple, trust me. If you are going to follow me and if you are going to concentrate, okay, it's very important. So let's start. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you what exactly we need for today's class, and I'm going to solve all the problems regarding material. Okay, so just give me a second so that I can fix my phone so that you all can see everything clearly. Okay, so here we go. Yes, so here, as you can see, materials are ready. Okay, so now you need this much of material. Okay, so now I'm going to one by one. I have read almost every query. I'm going to give you all the answers. Just listen me carefully. Just listen to me. Okay, now please listen. First of all, you need your glue. Okay, those who are not having glue, you can use staplers also, but if you have glue, preferred glue, I always prefer glue. Okay, but those who are not having, you can use stapler. I think everyone is having glue. Scale, pencil and eraser for drawing, and every drawing I am going to do with my black sketch pen. Okay, so that you can all see everything clearly. How long scale, whatever you have, dear, whatever you have, the small one, the big one. So I have a little big one. Whatever you have, you can use that. Yes, you can use Fevi-Stick. Whatever glue you have, you can use that. Okay, Fevi-Stick, Fevicol, Fevi-Glue, whatever. Okay. Okay, pencil and eraser. I'm going to use my sketch pen so that you can see everything clearly. You need scissor, and for scissor, it means cutting part, you have to be very careful. Okay, you need colors. So here I'm going to use my brush sketch pens. Okay, you can use whatever color you have. Whatever color you have, even you can use watercolors, pencil colors, crayons colors, whatever color you have, you can use that. Okay, roll on glue is also, yes, doesn't matter, whatever you glue you have, you can use that. Okay, now after colors, so many questions I have received regarding sheets, so please look here carefully. Those who are not, first of all, you need one blue sheet. Yes, you can use your chart paper also. Okay, but you have to cut. your chart paper at least in a size of A4 sheet. So you have to cut your chart if you are going to use chart paper. Okay, so please cut it accordingly. Those who are not having blue chart paper or blue color sheet, you can use, see, I have already shown you what we are going to make. Okay, the base for the water we need blue color. Understood? Clear? So, but if you don't have this sheet, I'm going to use my blue A4 sheet. So if you don't have that, you can color your white sheet. See, if you really want to do something now, you can find the way. So just color it. It doesn't matter. Okay. After all, you need water effect. So I think when you are going to color it, it will look more beautiful. Okay. Now, those who are not having green sheet for these plants, you can again draw on your white sheet and color it just like this. Even I don't have green sheet. I have drawn this, I have colored it and then cut it. So it's perfect. Okay. So for today's work, you need one white sheet also so that you can make these aquatic animals and these seaweeds and everything on your white sheet. Then we are going to color it and cut it. So I hope this much is clear. Okay, for coloring these things, you can use any color, yes. But if you have, it's optional. If you have black sketch pen or marker, or even you can use your black pen, then after coloring, you can make outline like this. You can do the outline, but after coloring. Okay, is that clear? Any problem regarding material? I think I have answered everyone's questions. So whatever I have received till now. So let's start with this smile. Of course, you cannot see my face, but trust me, I'm smiling and I'm very happy right now. Please show your colors. Okay. So I'm going to use my sketch pens. Whatever color you have, you can use that. Crayons, pencil colors, sketch pens, brush sketch pens, wax colors, watercolor. Okay, whatever color you have, you can use that. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, you need your blue sheet. Those who are going to color their blue sheet, you can color after this class. Okay. Because we have a limited time. So yes, we have to finish everything, but I think now you know the option. Used paper. Yes, please. See, it's your learning time and I will really appreciate if you are going to use your waste sheets. And I am also using, see, the white sheet is one-sided blank and one-sided filled. Okay, so this activity again need only one-sided blank. So I'm going to use my waste sheet. So if you are going to use your waste material, I am really very happy. So please, if you have, yes, you can use. Okay. Okay. So now those who are having sheets, dear green sheet, it's perfectly fine. Then it means there is no need to color. Okay. So now let's start. Yes, you can use oil pastels also. Okay, so now first of all, be ready with your blue sheet. Those who have to color, please skip this coloring part right now and you can continue after this class also. So now keep it in a landscape size. So this is called landscape, this is portrait. So you have to keep it like this and fold it from the center like this. Fold. You need to give fold. Yes, Dimple, yes, you can use paints. I have already told you, you can use watercolor or whatever color you have. Please listen to me very carefully. You can use any color. That's it. Okay. So now, first of all, you need to fold your sheet from the center. Keep it in a landscape side. Yes, you can use light blue, dark blue, whatever color you have. See, try to understand, it's your learning period. It's your learning time, okay? So yes, of course, you can use whatever material you have right now. And after this class, maybe you can do your creativity when you have learned everything. Okay, so no, I'm not going. Okay, if you feel I'm going fast, I'm still holding my paper with the fold. So I did not tell you the another step. So please focus on the class. Okay. So keep it in a landscape size. Hold it from the center. Okay. Now what we need to do? We need to give another fold from here, this side. See, this is this one. Yes, yes, Geeta, it was the first step. Okay, now the second step is this one is the open side. So now you have to fold it from this side. One centimeter only. 1 centimeter. Okay, not more than that because we need big sheet, this much at least. So yes, if you want you can measure also, or I think it's perfectly fine like this also, huh? Both the sides together. So if you are not comfortable, you can do it single sheets. So see, Ayush, it's perfect, dear. Very nice and very quick also, huh? Very nice. Nikunj, very good. Very nice. Okay, so I'm going to repeat again whatever I have done till now. So first you have to keep your sheet in a landscape size, fold it from the center, then fold it again like this. It is about, I think, 1 centimeter. Okay. See, it's not possible. I think I have right now more than 350 students. Okay, so it's a little difficult for me to see and take everyone's name, but trust me, I'm looking everyone. So don't worry, you all are doing wonderful job. Okay, now the third step is take your scale. Now I'm going to keep it from here. You can see this crease line. This crease line, you have to keep it like this and make one line with your pencil, and it should be very light. Please use very light line. Okay, you have to use your pencil very light. I have made it a little darker so that you can see everything, but you have to use very light pencil. It's just for an idea. Okay. Yes, sea green sheet will also work. Whatever. See, I have told you whatever sheet you have, you can use that. It's your learning time. So yes, whatever material you have, you can manage with that. And after this class, maybe whenever you are going to do it again, so you can put your creativity on that. Okay. So after this line, what we need to do, take your pencil again. I'm going to use my sketch pen so that you can see everything clearly. But please, you have to use your pencil. Okay. Or maybe I'm also going to use so that there will be no confusion. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make these waves. These waves. Okay. So now I'm going to make these wavy lines from this line to the end with a little distance between all the lines, and see, you can see the distance and the beautiful curves. Okay. See, they have to cover whole area like this only. Okay, so we are going to make waves. So we are going to use wavy lines like this. Try to give beautiful curves. Try to give beautiful curves. Okay. please repeat. Okay, Vanya, I'm still doing the same thing. What you need to do after this folding, you need to make one line. For that, I have used my scale. Line, then I'm going to use my wavy lines and see, this one is the closer part. So you have to use this area only. Please don't be confused, okay? So now make beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wavy lines with the beautiful curves, and these lines are very important because we are going to cut. So that's why I'm telling you, you have to use very light pencil. Very light pencil, okay? And if you can cut directly, it's perfectly fine. But I'm going to tell you the drawing also, so that if you have any confusion, any doubt, you can. So see, try to give equal distance. Ayush, it's perfect, dear. Very nice. If you have any confusion, please write. Please write. Use your fingers. You have zigzag scissors. Okay, you can use that if you really want to use that. No problem. Okay, so now you need to cut these lines. Cut these lines, okay? So be very careful because you are going to use your scissor. So be very careful, cut all the lines till here. Not more than this, okay? See, be very careful. Try to cut, give a fine work. Try to do fine work. I'm going to do it a little faster, but you can take your time because it's quite dangerous. Okay. Okay, so see, someone has written, ma'am, please tell me the next step. It means you have done. You are very quick. I really want to appreciate you. But I have such a large group, so we have to wait, at least for everyone. So I'm so sorry, but it will improve your patience level too. So please, it's a team. So yes, we have to support each other. Okay. So just wait for at least 30-40 seconds and then I'm going to tell you the next step, okay? See, cuttings are done. Be very careful. Okay. And please listen to me very carefully that we have limited time and we have to manage time also. It's really improve our time management skill also. but I have to manage time, so we have to do it a little faster. Okay, so now after this step, I'm not going to give so many time to you all. Okay, because I have to finish it on time, but I'm sure that you all, if you are going to listen me carefully, concentrate, then I'm sure that you can do every step after this class also. Okay, so don't worry, it's very simple. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you the next step. Please look here. Now we have to open it. Open. And you can see after opening it, the look. It's looking good. Yes. And now what I am going to do, please. The next step is very important, and because of that only it is going to pop up and it will look 3D. Okay, so please look here very, very, very carefully. So it's, so you can see this end. See this end, both the ends. Okay, now what I'm going to do, these strips, so I'm going to focus on one strip, then leave the another one. So please first you have to look. Okay, so I'm going to fold it from here like this with a little pressure so that that fold will be good. So I have left first one and I have fold the second one and see. Okay, now I'm going to leave another second one. Now I'm going to tell you again, I'm going to repeat again. So please look here if you did not understood the concept. Please leave one, do it another. Leave one. So now I'm going to again leave this strip and I'm going to focus on this. So now pull it like this. Just make it this fold and from here and see, and this. Okay, see. Now again same thing, just skip one and only on ends and see. I'm going to show you from every side so that you can understand. Again, focus on this, do the same. Okay. This fold and this. Ayush, I can see yours. It's wonderful, dear. And now this end. If you are cutting, dear, it's perfectly fine. Okay, I think you have understood the concept, so you can continue. So don't worry. See, now when you are done with these foldings, you can see your ocean is standing. Maya is standing, see. You can now, and because of this fold also, it's also give this paper a little support. Those who have not understood, please look here. Again, I'm going to tell you. Okay, so we have done after all the cutting. After cutting, you have to open your sheet. Okay, and now open your sheet, and now one by one you have to fold your strips. These are the strips. So I'm going to fold from here, give a beautiful fold here, and you will get this. Now leave one, then again focus on this, then leave one, focus on this, like this, like this. Now the same, like this. And 3 dimensions. Okay, so it's why it is calling, why I'm calling it 3D. See, you can see, you can just do it like this and it's 3D look. Okay, so from every side it is popping out and you can make it like this. Okay, so now I hope this much is clear. Okay, so now we are going to make this. Okay, and if you have any confusion, don't worry. I think we are going to share today's recording also, so don't worry about that. Okay. Okay, so now you need to make beautiful aquatic animals and seaweeds. For that, you can use your white sheet. Okay, be ready with your white sheet. And I'm going to do it with my sketch pen. If you want, you can also do the outlining, but after the coloring work. Okay, so now first of all I'm going to make seaweeds. So see, we have seen many kinds of seaweeds, so whatever style you want to use you can make. I'm going to use, and I'm going to use my whole sheet. Okay, that's why I'm going to start from this corner and see these wavy lines. Try to give different shape and size. You can add these kind of also. Okay, and maybe you can give a little decoration to it. Again, maybe see, simple. Okay, so maybe I'm going to make this much, but when I'm going to place it on my blue sheet, I will see that this much is required or not. Okay, and now after seaweeds, I'm going to use this area for aquatic animals, and because we are going to cut these drawings, so you can use your whole area. So what if you want to make turtles, if you want to make different kind of fishes, starfishes, whatever you want to make, you can draw that. Okay, so I'm going to start with beautiful fish maybe, and see the simple one. I'm going to start with the simple one, and it's your choice. You can add more, you can add different kinds. Okay, and maybe some patterns, so that, see, if you are going to make these animals beautifully now, then your ocean, 3D ocean with this craft will look beautiful. Okay, so try to make beautiful animals, and then you have to color it beautifully. And see, starfish, and maybe some pattern on this body. Okay, maybe jellyfish. Yes, it's also a nice. See. See, drawing is coloring. I think you can do it with your own. Okay. Seahorse or whatever you want to add. So it's up to you. Maybe I'm going to add these features also because I really find out it's cute. Yeah. And maybe some patterns. See. So whatever you want, okay? And after these drawings, and remember one thing, which is very important, the size of your seaweeds or your animals should be according to that blue page, okay? It should be accordingly this. It is very important. It is very important. If you are going to make it this much big, then it is not going to call a good composition. At least you should use this size only, okay? So that you can arrange many more and it will look good. Okay, and same with the seaweeds. Great. Okay, now quickly tell me if you have any issue, any problem. Please write it down on a chat box and I will try my best to answer everyone's questions. Okay, please little more time. No dear, I have to manage time. So yes, I hope you are done with all the steps. So it's important to clear. So don't worry, you can continue this work after this class also, okay? So now after this work, see, you have to draw and I can understand that it will take time, okay? For drawing and coloring. So you can continue this work after this class. Even I am not going to color it now. It's quite difficult, yes? So complete everything in 1 hour. So it's perfectly fine, perfectly fine. Now, at least make one. If you cannot make one fish or anything, just make one seaweed so that I can tell you how you are going to paste it and how you are going to cut it, okay? And both the things are important. So I'm going to quickly color my seaweed and see. Okay. So now how you are going to color it. So first of all, I'm going to show you. So don't worry, you all have time, okay? It's your learning period. So if you have learned everything, you can do it with your own. So don't worry, just try to focus. See, after coloring, after making outlining with black sketch pen or marker or black pen, I'm going to cut it like this with a little white portion. I'm going to leave this white border because I really find it very cute and good effect. But if you really want to do like this, you can do it like this also, or you can cut with your outlining also. Both the things are okay. Okay. So now I'm going to tell you how to cut it. And Nikunj, I really want to appreciate you because you are focusing on single word of mine, and I hope that I'm going to receive a beautiful work from your side. Huh? So now I'm going to give a little white border to it. If you want, you can cut like this. You can. I have already shown you the effect. So if you really want to cut like this, it's optional. I personally like this method, so I'm going to follow this only. But after coloring, okay, after coloring, you can give outlining also. And see, you can see the effect. It's looking beautiful. Yeah. So like this only, you can color more and more. Try to give beautiful, nice coloring. Okay. And maybe I'm going to manage this area also. So coloring, you have to choose your own color combination. It's perfectly fine. Okay, choose your own color combination. I really appreciate that if you are going to choose your own color combination. It's important. It will improve your coloring skills also. Okay. And if you want to copy, yes, you can. Both the methods are okay for me. And see, I think okay. So yes, you can cut, Piyush. Please start. Yes, yes, yes. I have already told you how to cut. So yes, you can start. I really appreciate if you are going to cut. It means you are on time, huh? With me only. So see, again, I'm going to give a little border to it, white border. It's optional. And now I'm not receiving any query, any problem. Oh my God, it's wonderful. It's great. It means everyone is focusing on their work. And I'm sure that I'm going to get beautiful work from your side. And see, to make these aquatic animals or seaweeds more beautiful, you can use, if you want, sparkles, glitters, or you can decorate your fishes with any object also if you want to paste anything. So yeah, I will really appreciate if you're going to make it more and more beautiful. Okay, so creativity, it's up to you. So you can use your own ideas. See, I have done with these. So now I'm going to tell you. Okay, I will tell you the first step. Let me finish this work. Okay, with every step, then I will repeat myself in 30-40 seconds. So now how you are going to paste it. Okay, so first of all, you can paste, you can see two layers, first layers and second layer. You can see both the layers, first and second. So you can paste over here also, in this layer also, and this layer also. So just like this. You can decorate. So you can add more. Okay, I did not color it, so I need time. Of course, I also need time, so I'm going to continue after this class. And you can paste it like this from here to here, and I'm going to tell you how you can. So I have told you the first layer. Now you can paste this. So how you are going to paste it over here, see, like this. So just use your Fevicol, glue, whatever you are using, and paste it like this. Is that the thing? I think there's some issue with. Okay, so before pasting, you have to manage everything nicely. Okay, so do not use so many things on this particular page. and it should be managed, it should be balanced, okay, which is very important. So composition is very important. So I have made so many seaweeds, but over here I have used a little so that everything is there, but not in a very tightly used. Okay, I have given a space with every, you can see the animals and it's looking nice.